Our fan oven is not heating up on Leisure Rangemaster 110. Fan is working. Have replaced heating element.
Hi, when you turn the thermostat for the oven on, is the little LED light coming on? Regards.
Yes, when I turn the temperature knob for the fan oven on, I guess this is the thermostat, the little red light comes on.
Hi, sorry for the delay in getting back to you. If the little LED is coming on, then it's possibly the thermal cutout on the back. Pull the oven out and remove the back panel. From there, located near the fan and the wires for the element, is the thermal cutout. It will have 2 wires on it. Check they are still on, as if you replace the element from inside the oven you may have pulled the wire off. If you have a multimeter, test it for continuity, and if faulty, then it will need to be replaced. Let me know what you find. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.